This was not supposed to be a Houston storm, and right now we are in the bullseye of Hurricane Beryl.
You know, everybody go through hard times, and sometimes you need a little help, but you can always bounce back when you find a place like Possible. Hi, my name is Crystal, and I've been a member of Possible since 2023. I'm a mother of 3. I work at a school, and Possible was there for me when I needed it. Knowing that the hurricane was coming in, with it being the category 1, okay, we're like, cool. You know, we're probably going to get a lot of rain, you know, a lot of wind, but we did not expect with a category 1 hurricane to lose power and to lose it for 7 days. We didn't plan properly.
The city essentially is shut down. It's going to be days and weeks to clean up here in Houston after this hurricane.
No cell service. You couldn't get the news. No gas at the gas station. Then you start losing your food. So it's just like, at this point, we're like, okay, now what are we gonna do? I didn't have anyone else to lean on in a time of need. I had used Possible for a car repair. Then when the hurricane hit, I was out without pay. So I'm like, how am I gonna pay Possible and still stay in good standards? Not only did I had to figure out how was I gonna pay certain bills, I had to figure out how I was gonna get more food. I had a window that was blown out. I had to figure that out. So I went online to see if I could extend my payment, and I seen that Possible had a relief plan. I was like, okay, what does it hurt to try to apply? It could not have taken me any more than maybe 15 minutes to fill it out. So the process wasn't long. The questions wasn't hard. They asked me how long I needed. Did I need 30 days or I need 60 days? So I really was excited that I got approved. I was like, okay, cool. I could put that payment on hold and still be in good standards with them. It could have been a different company. They could have said, no, you owe us, you pay. Y'all cared about us in a time of need, and I certainly appreciated that. Life throws you a monkey wrench. You never know what's gonna happen. Every day is not the same. You know, everybody go through hard times, and sometimes you need a little help, but you can always bounce back when you find a place like Possible. I haven't been able to depend on a lot of places, but Possible was one place I was able to depend on, and I appreciate it.